Hello all, I was washing my bike and I decided I'll show you guys how to get rid of these black spots that come up on the exhaust near the bends. I know it doesn't look that bad right now, but yeah, it comes up all over the exhaust near the bends. It's due to the tar and the bugs that get hit and get vaporized. Fairly simple. All you need is some soapy water and coconut husk. It'll be easy to find, I guess. uh, it'll be a little bit soft on some points and a little bit hard at the others. Just choose accordingly. Use the soft side first. If it doesn't go to the hard parts. Okay, just dip a little bit of it, and I'm going to start with the soft spots. Put some force into it. I'm going to move to the hard parts just because it's a little bit stuck. I'll just pour some running water on it so you can see how it cleans up. And as you can see, it's gone. These fine scratches that you see, don't worry. I mean, it's not much. If it bothers you, then you can just use some metal polish and finish it off. Look at that, with just a little bit of dishwash soap and some rubbing, even water doesn't stick to it. It gets so clean. And as you can see, there are no spots anymore.